Good morning, everybody. This ain't one of my normal cooking videos. Today we are going to go to the restaurant and get breakfast because I've been really busy. Haven't been to the grocery store. You guys can see it's pretty dang cold out here, but yeah, so y'all heard me talk about it, where I go get breakfast on the weekends. The great girls that work there, super nice ladies, so why not feature them in a video? So y'all sit back, relax, hang out, and we'll get to the restaurant and we'll introduce you to everybody. All right, y'all, we're getting here. Got the old Pate's place. We'll go in here. See if we can't go in here and get us some grub. Find me a parking spot. It's just a little rinky-dink place, but great food. I love the food here. So, all right, let me stop this here, and we'll see, just a little rinky-dink place. Let me stop this, and we'll get in here and get some grub. All right, y'all, we're here. We're gonna get some breakfast. We're gonna say hi to Carrie, one of our favorite waitresses. She's gonna bring me my unsweet iced tea, which I drink with my breakfast, and maybe a cup of coffee. But you usually just have the unsweet iced tea for breakfast. So let's switch the camera around here and see if we can get her coming over to the table.
Make us give up the day after Thanksgiving or something like that. You know what I'm saying?
That's Miss Carrie, best waitress. Been coming here a couple years probably now. She knows my breakfast, so watch when she comes back over. She'll just ask me if I want my usual, which it is my usual. So we'll get that coming, and hopefully, not hopefully, I know it's going to be good. So y'all just hang out, and we'll show you what we get.
Wait, do I get a red carpet coming to you?
I should get a red carpet every day I come in
No,
here.
I should. I'm the star of this show.
There should be a fanfare when I walk in the door.
No, I'm the star of this show. I need a red carpet and a crown.
And a crown.
And a crown.
We'll work on getting you a crown.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So.
Do you want your usual?
See? Yes, I told you.
Yes.
I told you guys.
Chopped sirloin with 3 eggs over easy, hash browns with onions, brown gravy, and corned beef hash with sourdough.
Exactly.
Got it.
All right. There's Mom back there. She does all the cooking. So. All right, y'all. We'll bring you.
Hiya.
Look how mean she is to people. She's kicking customers.
I am.
She's kicking customers.
Alrighty.
Look at that, y'all.
You want anything else?
No, that looks delicious.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you. Y'all check that out. Move that toast out of the way. Oh, yeah. That's my breakfast. That's what I have every weekend. So I'm going to eat this before it gets cold. I'll bring y'all back when we're done. All right, y'all. After eating a chopped steak with the mushrooms and onions, take the rest of it, corned beef, taters, gravy, everything, mix it all together, and just put a little hot sauce on it and chow down on it. So I'm going to do that, bring y'all back. I just noticed this. You guys notice anything wrong with my knife? I'm going to have to get on Carrie about that. So that just blows my mind. She's pulling a fast one on me, y'all. I like the grape. I don't think I've ever had the blackberry. We're gonna try it, but I think she's pulling a fast one on me. I'm such a good boy. It's not hard whenever such a great meal. So, all right, that's it. Time to pay the bill, and we'll get our day going. just so you all know how good of a customer I am. These are my loyalty cards I've been collecting. You know, I haven't turned them in yet. I just use them to kind of judge how many times I've been here. And this ain't all of them, because a lot of times I don't get it punched when I'm in here. I forget or whatever, but yeah, so had a lot of them meals. Alright, y'all, it's the second day. If y'all watched Twisted V Twin Garage, after I was in, him and Miss Sandy come in and they got breakfast, and my favoriteest waitresses said that Mark was their favorite. So we're back today to find out how they're going to change their story, you know, and suck up to me to see if I am actually their favorite or if they're just playing. So let's go in here and catch our reaction and see what they have to say for themselves. So what do you have to say for yourself?
Ed, we missed you yesterday. They forced us to say things we didn't want to say about you, and I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
You really are my favorite.
I was actually gonna wait until Maria come in and, you know, make Maria my favorite.
She's not here today. She's in Florida.
Oh, you are lucky. You are really lucky. You know, I'm telling
So my apologies, my best friend. I'm glad you're here.
I'm glad I'm here too. You know, if it wasn't for the food, you know, the way I get treated sometimes. Yeah.
They treat you the best here.
Well, that's not what you said in the video yesterday on Mark's channel.
They threatened us.
I can see that happening. Okay. All
Wait
right.
till Carrie comes out.
Yeah,
See if
okay.
she apologizes.
Well, see, I would expect it from Carrie, but, you know, the little innocent one? No.
Carrie?
No. What? Yeah, here she comes. Now watch how she's going to suck up. So,
Whatever I'm about to say, it's under distress.
under distress.
Yes.
Now, wait. Now, she's saying that Mark and Sandy forced you guys to say that, and now you're under distress because I'm
I
here?
plead the Seventh Amendment.
Seventh Amendment?
Fifth.
The Fifth. I don't know about y'all.
First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. I pleaded.
Okay.
I pleaded.
So what's the truth here? You know, who is the favorite?
Who really knows the truth? I mean, the universe just sends us many mixed messages, and we're here just to work
Did you
through
see the
it.
moon this morning? I think it's a full moon.
It is.
Maybe. I don't know. I was gonna
That's
say
what
I was
happened.
I was telling Deb, you know, I may have to switch to Maria being my favorite.
I told him we were fourth.
Go for that.
We're sorry.
You know.
We're sorry.
Okay.
We're sorry.
Apology accepted.
Marie, you're his favorite.
Can I have my
Marie loves you.
can I have my usual now
Yes, you may have your usual.
without any extra stuff in it?
Chopped sirloin, 3 eggs, over easy, hash browns with onions with brown gravy, sourdough toast, and corned beef hash.
And
Did you
grape
get that?
and grape jelly.
Great.
Yeah.
You don't want me to
Have
speak
it.
any blackberry jelly in
It's
there?
right here.
No, it was look at that. She even has it written down.
Blackberry jelly?
So, all right, ladies, thank you. I feel the love.
You love you.
We love you.
See, look at that. Ah.